Hello friends, namaste. Welcome to my gardening channel. Thank you for clicking. Now, here I've got something to show you. This is ZZ plant or ZZ plant. Okay, now this plant is for gardeners who are beginners and who are very lazy or forgetful to water the plants. The specialty of this plant is it doesn't need that much water. Maybe you can just water them once in a month or maybe once in 2 months. Yeah, so it's really cool. Now, when I bought this plant, it was just a small sapling. Now this has grown big and now I can see 2 tops coming out from this. So let's talk about the soil for this plant. I have used the cactus mix, or you can get the succulent mix, repotting mix. So the repotting mix soil, plus I have added some compost. Fertilizers for this plant, I use the slow releasing fertilizers, 1 cup, that's enough to keep it go on for months. And so yeah, this is the best plant to have in every household if you are very forgetful about watering the plants, or you can just simply neglect this plant. It will just grow by itself. It's such a beautiful leaf, such a leathery shiny leaves. And one more thing, talking about the shine, do not use the shines on the leaf. I have seen like some people, they used to try to shine the leaves, so do not use that. These plants, they don't like it. And if you water too much, it's going to rot the root of the plant and you will eventually kill it. So watering is very nice, and also make sure that you have lots and lots of drainage down so that its feet don't sit in the water. And if you're keeping a saucer beneath the pot, make sure if the water is getting collected, you drain it properly. Alright, so those are the few tips that you have to bear in mind while growing this plant. It's pretty easy. And another thing, so we have discussed about watering, we have discussed about the fertilizer. Next is the light. Now it can't withstand the direct sunlight, so it's better to keep it in a place where you get filtered light. So if you keep it beside a windowsill, make sure that if the blinds are down, it is just behind the blinds or curtain, so that the direct sunlight won't hit the leaves. So yeah, you can keep it outdoor, but make sure that it doesn't come directly into the sunlight. You can keep it in the shade. And also another thing is, if during the winter, if you keep it outside, it's going to harm the leaves, harm the plant. So during the fall time, it's always good to keep it indoors and keep it safe. So that's all I know about the ZZ plant. So yeah, happy gardening everyone. Thank you so much for visiting me. Bye for now. Catch you later.